could or might with verbs, or it can be past perfect. In these three conditions में आपने sequence of tenses में आपको इसके sentences के मायने क्या है उसको हम further study करते हैं. Now an important thing is to present that to notice that no present form can come after the past tense. Now whenever you have main clause with past tense, you have no question whatsoever left कि आपने अब dependent clause में present tense आए. डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज अगर आपका पास्ट टेंस में है, प्रेजेंट टेंस में है, तो उसके बाद में अगर मेन क्लॉज में आपके पास पास्ट टेंस है तो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज में आपके पास कभी भी प्रेजेंट नहीं आ सकता. इसमें आप देखें पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव है, पास्ट सिंपल है, मॉडल वर्ब्स हैं, again expressing all the past, and this past perfect, but there is no present tense even ever come in your dependent clause when you have past tense in the main clause. So that's why it is made bold separately, marked with the red color कि आपके पास कभी भी dependent clause ज्वाइन नहीं कर सकता विद द पास्ट टेंस इन योर मेन क्लॉज. अब हम इसके एग्जाम्पल के यूजेस में देखते हैं. द फर्स्ट कंडीशन, जब आपके पास सिंपल पास्ट या पास्ट कंटिन्यूस टेंस हो, जिसे हम पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव भी कहते हैं, इन योर डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज again with present past tense in your main clause. So this actually indicate that a simultaneous action with the main clause. Again both happened somewhere in the past, but the action की जो conditions हैं they were happening in the simultaneous, in parallel. Examples: I gave the package to my sister. This is the first package. This is the first main clause with the past tense, simple past tense. When she visited us last week. So it means the giving the package and the arrival, or visit the package and giving the package, visiting the last week and the giving the package was happened the last time at the same time in parallel actions. So simple past followed by a simple past in the dependent clause. Another example: Mike visited the Prado Art Museum. This is the first main clause which is past tense followed by dependent clause while he was studying in Madrid. So again this is the past progressive or past continuous tense. So it means the visit to Prado Art Museum and studying in the Madrid was at the same time. So again both events happen in the past but in the same time. So ऐसे में आपके पास past tense आपके main clause में है और simple past या आपका past continuous आपका dependent clause में होगा. सेकेंड कंडीशन है जब आपके पास मॉडल वर्ब्स होंगे इन योर डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज व्हेन यू हैव पास्ट टेंस इन द मेन क्लॉज. सो व्हाट डज दैट मीन? इट एक्चुअली इंडिकेट दैट द एक्शन टेक प्लेस आफ्टर दैट ऑफ द मेन वर्ब. इट मीन्स आपका जो डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज का एक्शन है वो मेन क्लॉज के एक्शन के बाद में हुआ है. उसकी एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं. ही सेड that he would look for a job next week. So by the time he is saying, although both actions have happened in the past, but even in the past the second action, the action in the dependent clause has yet to happen after the main clause. So by the time he is saying in the past, he has not looked for the job yet. He must be seeing somewhere, but after the main clause. Second example is Mary said that she could play piano. Again Mary said is the past tense followed by a dependent clause which is a modal verb which is could followed by a verb of course, and it means by the time she is saying she has not played the piano then, until then she has yet to play the piano. Now third condition was जब आपके पास past perfect tense है in your dependent clause, again with present tense with the past tense in the main clause. What does it show? It actually shows that the action occurred before that of the main clause. Now इसका मतलब है आपका जो dependent clause का action है that happened before the main clause action. Example: I hoped he had arrived safely. So it means by the time he is hoping, again both happened in the past but the dependent clause action happened before the main clause. So by the time he is hoping in the past he has arrived already. They thought he had been here last night.